Hi everybody, my name is Vincent White and I am your Circles RVA coach. I'm here at the voting booth and I'm excited because our leaders are able to learn more about voting, about the voting experience. They're able to ask questions, they're able to participate in the escape room, they're having fun. A lot of times people complain about voting not being fun or being boring or not related to them, but we made it fun, made it a whole experience, and also they got to learn in the process. And so I myself as a Circles coach, I really appreciated a night like this. And also I got to take a night off and just kind of help facilitate and watch them participate in this escape room. So I'm so appreciative of a night like this, and I'm looking forward to everybody going out and voting on November the 4th. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shiris, and today I enjoyed the escape room. The experience was about voting and knowing your rights and how to go about your polling, getting a lot of good general information about voting, especially for today's election that's coming up on November 4th. I was at Station 2 and I was the polling station, and they had to figure out what was the wrongs and the rights in the polling station and give me the right destination for Richmond, Virginia. And they got it right. It was some incorrect addresses as well as states. And the only one that was correct was the Richmond, Virginia address. And so then they moved on to the next clue or escape room.
My name is Valena Dixon, and I am a board member and volunteer with Circles RVA. And also, I'm glad to support the Virginia Community Health Workers Association that brought this really exciting voter education program to us this evening. I think it gave us an opportunity to really interact with the community members and to really look at some very, very interesting scenarios so that we could learn how to help people register and vote.
I'm Willie Mae Edmonds. I'm a volunteer. I really enjoyed the session. I thought some pertinent examples and
we had a good time.
we had a good time.
Yeah, we had a good time. It was a very engaging and informative session, so very valuable information for our community.